Did you know there are 5 simple exercises that can make you feel and move like you're 20 years younger? Many of us accept getting weaker over time, as if it were inevitable. But recent studies show that sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, is not only preventable, it is reversible. With the right exercises, adults over 60 can rebuild functional strength in just 12 weeks. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, with 5 science-based exercises without leaving home and without any equipment. Before we begin, write your name and where you're watching from in the comments. We reply to everyone. Exercise 1. Glute bridge. Around 80% of people will experience lower back pain at some point, and the risk increases with age. The most common reason is weakened glutes, which leads to pelvic imbalance and excessive pressure on the spine. The glute bridge addresses this exact issue, strengthening both the glutes and lower back at the same time with no impact and no equipment. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Keep your arms by your sides, palms facing down. Engage your core. As you exhale, press through your heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top for 2 to 3 seconds. Slowly lower down, vertebra by vertebra. Perform 2 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. When it becomes easy, try the single leg version. Extend one leg while lifting with the other. When your glutes start working again, your posture improves, back pain decreases, and every step feels more stable. But glutes alone are not enough. The next exercise targets the largest muscles in your body. And it's the one that most directly determines how long you'll maintain your independence. Exercise 2. Squat. The squat is the king of movements because it works your quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings all at once. These are the muscles that allow you to walk, climb stairs, and get up from a chair. It also deeply activates your core and back, building stability for everyday tasks. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Place your arms in front of you or crossed over your chest. Slowly lower yourself by bending your hips and knees at the same time, as if sitting into an invisible chair. Keep your back straight. Pause at the lowest point. Then stand up by activating your glutes and quadriceps. Perform 2 sets of 10 repetitions. To make it easier, use a real chair. To increase difficulty, hold a light weight in your hands. Remember the golden rule: increase your effort by 20% each week. Gradual progression, not extreme intensity, is what separates those who age with vitality from those who lose strength without realizing it. The next exercise goes one step further, training each side of your body independently, just like when you walk or climb stairs. Exercise 3. Reverse lunge. The reverse lunge mimics the movement pattern of climbing stairs and getting up from the ground, working your legs, glutes, and balance at the same time. Research shows that regular lunges strengthen the knees and hips and increase bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Stand holding the back of a chair. Keep your back straight. Take a wide step back with your left foot, staying on your toes. Bend both knees at the same time, lowering straight down. Your front knee should form a 90-degree angle. Your back knee should come within a few centimeters of the floor. Slowly rise up while keeping your core engaged. Repeat on the other side. Perform 1 set of 10 repetitions per side. To make it easier, lower yourself only 25% of the way. To make it harder, let go of support and hold a light weight in each hand. Legs and balance trained. But there is a region in your body that supports all of this from the inside, and most people train it only superficially. The next exercise targets it directly. Exercise 4. Modified crunch. This exercise builds your core from the inside out, and it's the kind of strength that makes a real difference in daily life. We're not talking about aesthetics, we're talking about postural stability, spinal protection, and reduced back pain. A study published in BMC Geriatrics showed that core strengthening exercises significantly improve balance in adults over 60 who live independently, and the modified crunch is one of the most accessible and effective ways to build that foundation. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on your thighs. Before any movement, gently engage your core. Imagine pulling your belly button slightly toward the floor, flattening your lower back against it. This is deep core activation. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, lift your shoulder blades off the floor using your abdominal muscles, not your neck, not your chest. Only go as far as you can while maintaining control. Hold briefly at the top, lower slowly. Perform 2 sets of 15 repetitions. If you feel discomfort in your neck, lightly support your head with your hands, but do not pull. Movement quality always matters more than the number of repetitions. Core strengthened, spine protected. But there is one last system in your body that determines whether you'll maintain the strength you've built today and turn it into real independence for the years ahead. The final exercise targets your upper body in a way that surprises almost everyone the first time they try it. Exercise 5. Modified push-up. The push-up is one of the most complete exercises for the upper body, yet it's often avoided by people over 60 because it seems too difficult. But the modified version completely solves that. It strengthens your chest, shoulders, and triceps while activating your core, building the strength needed to push, carry, and lift safely in everyday life. This is the strength that allows you to carry groceries, lift grandchildren, and maintain independence in the years ahead. Start with the knee version. Place your hands on the floor slightly wider than shoulder width apart with your knees on the ground. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your knees without letting your hips drop or rise. Lower yourself slowly by bending your elbows until your chest is close to the floor without touching it. Push back up in a smooth, controlled motion. Perform 2 sets of 10 repetitions. For an easier version, do it against a wall. Stand at a distance, place your hands on the wall, and bend your elbows to bring your chest closer. The farther your feet are from the wall, the harder it becomes. For those with more strength and mobility, the full push-up is the next natural step. The only difference is supporting yourself on your feet instead of your knees, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. 5 exercises, no equipment, no gym. And the same approach that the latest science confirms as the gold standard for reversing muscle aging: gradual progression and consistency. Start with what you can do today. Increase by 20% each week and show up again tomorrow. In 2 weeks, you'll notice it's easier to get up from a chair. In 4 weeks, you'll feel more stable when walking. In 2 months, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. In Japan, longevity doesn't come from extreme workouts. It comes from simple movements, practiced with discipline every single day. And that's exactly what you just learned. Write in the comments which of these exercises you're going to start today, and your age. I read everything. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe because there's a new video every week. See you next time.